Hey YouTube, it's me Rob. I wanted to do a quick video, basically kind of an update from yesterday, and I had to I banned some trolls from my site because they're lying. I gave them a chance. I showed them some really awesome alignments, and they pretend like they couldn't see them. And you could see that if you look. I mean, come on, you can't. They couldn't see that how this lines up there and this lines up here, and it did it like under the tightest scrutiny. Like I even got in really close like this, and you could see that in the background there's these lines right here, right? Well, you could see that these, as I pull this up and match it with this the mountains right here, right, like that, you can see that these lines match up. They do. They match up here, here. They're not going to, and you got to remember that this thing is moving. So some of these lines are made in the process of moving like that. So I don't know what they're expecting. They might be expecting exact like duplicate of the image, but if that were the case, then the Himalayas would look just like this region. It would be no different. But this is opposite sides of the planet. They're going to be different because these are layers that sat on top of one another. So I'm looking for features that have come through the layers. Like I said in the past, you take like 100 sheets of paper and you take high voltage and you burn a pattern across it. Well, when you spread out the layers, you're going to have different levels of that same pattern, right? Well, that's exactly what's going on with our planet. It's exactly what's happening. And these matches are exact down to the details. I already know this because I've spent the time to look at it. And they are. They really do. It's incredible how accurate it is from being opposite sides of the planet. That's the other thing. But I wanted to show you what happens when you reverse this. When you make the bottom one transparent and the top one solid. Let's see. There you go. And then you line them up the same way, and you kind of see a different picture. You still see the alignments, but you see, hold on, let me darken this one. You see the overspill right here, coming between here and South America. But let me show you a bigger picture of the same thing. And remember, this fits in here, fits in here. Over and over again because this is moving. Now let me show you a bigger picture. Okay, so here's the Himalayas. I lined it up here. You see that it's spilling over. But when you move it down, you can see how it's kind of spilling over and creating something. Right? Let's get this right. Yeah, see how it lines up? In there. Well, let me get a bigger picture here. Right here, yeah. Hold on. Yeah, just let me show you again. Here it is. See how it fits right into there? Okay, here's a bigger picture. And as it's coming down, can see how this is going to fit into South America. Here's a better copy of it. You got South America here. Here's the overspill, that area. As I was saying, it starts to spill, you know, here. And it starts to spill and cover the vortex. You can see how it fits in over and over. But finally, it, hold on a second. Let me get rid of this. There it is, look. You can tell it fits there, but you can also see that I think it's what it is it's there's that split right here, and I believe that's what's part of it right there. There you go. See how it like fits right in there like that? If I take this area right here, I guarantee you it's going to fit. I'll probably do that in tomorrow's video. So that's what I'll show you. I'll work on this area and show you what I found. But you could tell that this overspill is what makes continents, because the material that overspills coats the vortex. And the process of the creation of our planet. And it doesn't matter whether the trolls from yesterday can see it or not. It doesn't change the fact that it lines up. They can whine all they want that they can't see this. It's just too bad, you know. I mean, the fact that they couldn't see it is what discredits them for me. Because anybody who says that they can't see, where is it? This alignment is a liar. A straight up liar. I mean, look, give me a break. Not only can you see, watch when I line it up here. You can see as this moves in, you can, not only does it line up over here as it's moving, oops, hold on. Not only does it line up perfect in here when it's rotated correctly, but it lines up again over here. Even this line fits right in. And this is that, you know, current and turbulence. But look how it fits over and over again. It fits the right here again, and then you look here, you can see that these line up with the mountain peaks as if something was flowing over. These are all like steps of the like a progressive steps of the creation of our planet. It's that simple. And no troll can discredit this, man. I'm just not putting up with it. They're obviously here to cause trouble, and I'm just not going to deal with them anymore. I just want to make alignments and solve this whole thing. And they can witness it from where they are at now. Thanks for watching.